Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good week. I just wanted to take this opportunity to talk about this kind of texture in my paintings. Sometimes people ask me if I'm going to do so-called polished pieces where I finish the painting. There are all kinds of paintings in my gallery. Finished, clean lines, vectors, pixel art, and so on. But these paintings I do in this style, I don't consider them unfinished or unpolished. When painting this Game Boy, one of my primary concerns throughout the entire process was that the energy in the initial blocking phase was so inspiring to me that I did my best to just preserve that. What you see me doing here is approaching the composition problems from different angles and trying to sort of ninja paint them sneakily so that I wouldn't kill the essence of this painting. I'm not trying to say that this way of working is either better or worse. Clearly, from my gallery you should have an impression that I'm pretty much game for any style of image making. I sort of love doing different things. What I'm merely suggesting here is that there's also beauty and skill in painting with this style, where the layers of brushstrokes and sort of build the texture and colors so that you can see the history of the painting, the way it's made, just from the way it looks. Sometimes when I look at my students' paintings, I have this terrible urge to just slap the stylus out of their hands when they keep working on the same painting for too long. I just want to say to them, like, you're done already. Oh my god. So maybe next time when you're going into full detail frenzy, maybe you can just try asking yourself this simple question: is this actually helping the visual impact of this piece, what I'm doing right now, or am I in fact already done? Thank you for watching this video. I'm Mikko and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!